What do you think?
It's a pretty cool place.
This is so cool.
Second compliment I've gotten on my mustache today.
Just today. Say that's a new record. 2 in 1 day.
Both by old men.
Makes sense.
Give me this. It's my turn. Look at this. No, not her. Pizza oven. Well, she doesn't make pizza.
It's a bread oven.
Well, same thing, I think.
We're just standing around filling up our water and noticed this little hole in the rhododendrons here. Wow. This is like a little hidden patio. This is so cool.
How the first thing we did was, hey, come on, y'all, you want to play piano? No, not really. Come on, sit down anyway, start playing. Oh, okay, all right. What is your name again? Don't worry about that. I'll take you to your site later. And now we're following, I forgot his name, the tractor man, to our site.
This is how we tell if the bus is level.
It's not level.
We turn the water on and see how it drains. It's pulling up in that corner over here. So definitely not level. Oh my gosh. Wow, you're strong. Good morning. If you can't tell by my hair and the bags under my eyes, it is very early in the morning. I had to get up really early this morning for like some time-sensitive work stuff, so I just decided to stay up and come see the buffalo this morning. It's crazy that there's a herd of buffalo within walking distance of my little house, but what a freaking joy. I cannot get over my hair right now. This is like how I sleep sometimes at night. I just throw it in this big bun, so it's kind of ridiculous. It's a secret hangout. What do you think of my spot?
It's your spot?
Yeah, I found it the other day.
Is that where your turtles hang out?
I like turtles.
We are on a 73-acre farm in eastern Tennessee. This is actually a bison farm. They got 15 bison. They have a new member.
It's a baby.
He was born Thursday, and today's Tuesday, so.
Only a couple days old.
Yep.
And real small. I don't know if it's a boy or girl, but so cute.
And then our neighbors next door have Highland cows.
We saw them yesterday, and today we just walked over there to go. I brought my cameras this time, and of course, they're not there. So we'll check back later. Hopefully see them again.
And they have free roaming peacocks here, muskrats, otters, and something else. I don't know if
They have a whole zoo,
it's beavers.
basically.
And they got a bunch of chickens and a blacksmith shop that we're about to go check out.
So we just met the blacksmith, super nice guy. He is going to dinner and we're gonna come back a little bit later, and he said that he would show us how to make these little hooks. So I'm super excited. We're gonna get like a blacksmith lesson.
Swing a hammer, make some steel fly.
Do you think he's gonna let you?
Absolutely. Look at this baby bison.
Just use 3. Just use the one that comes with. So he said that most of these are female. Almost all of them are female, even the really big ones. All right, let's go see, what's his name?
Fathead Sammy.
Let's go see Fathead Sammy.
That's his name. I didn't make it up. It's not him.
It's a her.
Whatever.
Gosh. Hey, Sammy.
Hello, sir.
You just a big boy?
My name's David. God, he's massive. Hello and welcome. Today we are interviewing Fathead Sammy. Fathead, how's your day been? It's been all right. That's good. You look like you need a little bath. I want to pet him, but I'm terrified of him, and he kind of stinks. I'm terrified of him.
The blacksmith said that he hangs out all by himself, and he basically doesn't want to be around any of the girls until he's ready for the girls.
This is smart or dumb? Let's find out.
Smart.
This is hot.
Alright, where's the best place for us to stand?
Well, you can stand anywhere you want to. To see it, probably right in here. Don't get in a hurry. Start curling down. I've got a couple of keep going. Real deep. That'll do it. That's a curly Q-tip. That's it. Now pull it up here where it's up like that. The hook is up. There you go. Now you can just kind of tweak it where you want it right there.
What do you think, babe?
You're a pro.
Is that the size hook you wanted?
Wow.
Is this what you ordered?
Yeah, it looks good.
The whole thing is very hot. Keep twisting. Keep twisting. Keep twisting.
Ooh, look at it.
Mm-hmm. Look, Mom.
Is that for your mom?
I made a hook with a little squiggly and a hook with a Dairy Queen curly Q, and then I twisted it right there.
Ooh, that looks good.
It's a Philly cheese chicken.
I got a BLT and some potato salad. We just got done eating some really good little sandwiches at this Amish shop that was down the road. Little order at the counter moment. It was very good. Let me see if I can set you guys up right here. We can chit chat. We are filling up on water and we're getting some gas. We're at the gas station right now. David is putting some gas in our little like gas can that we use to fill up our generator. So the plan for today is to do some laundry because we desperately need to do laundry. But we have to fill up on some water first. And then we're just hanging out at the farm today. It's gonna be like a high of like 75 or something like that. So we're just gonna be chilling. I'm probably getting some work done as usual and hanging out with the buffalo. This farm has been so cool. The fact that David got to do a blacksmith like lesson class yesterday was so cool. He was like so into it. I could just see it in his eyes. He was like, this is my new thing. And the guy invited us to come back again today and make something else. And he kept asking me if I wanted to do it, which I am very tempted. Yesterday I was kind of like just in camera mode and just filming, but like I am kind of tempted and I kind of do want to give it a shot. So if we end up going to visit him again today, I might dabble in the blacksmithing. We'll see. I put my hair in this little like messy bun with my hat and I'm like really vibing with it. It's like out of my face, out of my way, but it's kind of cute. This trip to North Carolina has been honestly such a dream. It's given us a chance to like really get a hold on bus life a little bit better. I feel like every time we've left on a trip, we've learned more about what is demanded from bus life and what, you know, how we need to pivot and how we need to do things. We were talking about how like we both feel like this trip to North Carolina, we feel like we've really got a grip on like bus life and like it just feels more natural.
I got you a Kit Kat bar.
Thank you. I was saying how we were talking about how this trip we felt like we've got a better grip on bus life.
It's just a balance. It's a balance between, oh, you guys are just out there on vacation, you know, like living in these cool spots and doing cool stuff and hiking and doing basically the opposite of, you know, the 9-to-5s that we left. And then actually getting work done and trying to be, you know, responsible adults. It is a fine line, and some days we'll go, you know, a couple, 3, 4, 5, 6 days in a row of just working, and then sometimes we'll go 1 day of rest, or we'll go 7 days of rest. The schedule's whatever you make up. I think that we've gotten a better groove. Time management skills have definitely improved, and the overall vision of what we're trying to accomplish has improved as well. Hi, it's my turn. I'm gonna show you how to fill up water. Undo this, take your hose, nice and tight. Take your filter, screw it on. You like this angle? Got all the way to fill up. We got 100 gallons of fresh water, and I think we had maybe 15 left. I don't know what else to say, but let me know if you like me better than my wife. Comment below. Thanks. I am about to make this. It is a steak flipper or meat turner for like a campfire, not in the kitchen. Looks like this.
Cool, that is pretty. Wow. Look at that hook on there. Don't come after me with that.
Hello. Put me on the spot.
Introductions are to be made. This is
Robin Lynch from Farmhouse Gallery and Gardens, or Farmhouse Ironworks if you're looking for my stuff on there.
We will share his Etsy link below, and you're about to watch me make one of these that you can purchase for
15 or 20 bucks, depending on how much.
$85 just for you.
Straighten all that out. Hold it so a few times and look at it. Very good. It bends it real straight and out. Just as much as you want to. Yeah, that looks good.
Hey, I like that.
Oh my gosh. David is working in the blacksmith shop, and I looked over and there is a peacock on the roof of this building. All right, let's see what you made.
This is a steak turner. You hold it in your hand like so, and then you got your 2-inch thick ribeye, and you hook it,
Oh,
pick it up, and flip it on the grill, on the campfire, on your 17-inch Blackstone coming soon. And that was my teacher.
it looks great. You did a good job.
And I got a root beer. Let's go feed the bison.
All right.
Marketplace right here in Bucks. And take at least 3 or 4 good pictures of it. You don't know.
Yeah.
Buddy. Good boy. Girl.
That's Fathead Sammy. That's a boy.
That is not.
Yes, it is.
You look smaller.
Don't say that to him.
Oh, sorry. Can I touch your head? Or just... Okay. Gonna go feed the buffalo. Fathead Sammy gets his food first.
Look at him.
I'm scared. Right on the head.
Don't touch that wire. Yeah. That's it. There you go.
Sorry.
Good job.
So if they're smart, they'll go all up. Hey, little fella.
Good morning! Today is our last day on the farm and we are heading to our new spot today. I think we are going to stop at a little town called Jonesboro, I believe. Apparently it's just a really cute little like sunken mountain town. We're gonna go check it out and then we're gonna hit up our new spot, so.
Does he have mini lock?
This house is from 1777, and Andrew Jackson lived here while he was practicing law in Jonesboro, Tennessee.
We knew all of that before we got here. We did not read.
We did not read that on a sign.
No, absolutely not.
We looked at the house and we knew that.
Where we're staying for the next couple days. Got a couple windows, and come on, we'll take you inside.
Let's go.
He's hard of hearing. It might take a minute.
Okay, so we left Jonesboro and ran to Publix, and I got us some little poppies. This is the strawberry lemon flavor, and I don't think I've tried it before, but it's pretty good. And then I got David the root beer flavor, because he's been on a root beer kick, right?
I had one root beer the other day.
Have no concept of enough or of consequences. Lines we draw beforehand to protect our energy. The trick is to set them and be content with them.
These are Rotopack, if you're watching. I'd like 2-3 gallon ones to put on my pack mule. Honda, if you're watching, I need the new EU 3200i. I think that's the name. I'm not sure. I need that. Thank you.
They have a helicopter.
That can get extremely.
All right, we just pulled into our new spot for the next couple of days. We're staying at this Harvest Host spot. They have a nice little fire ring for us and even a giant pile of wood, which is super nice. A lot of the other spots have either not provided wood or charged for it. So this is really, really awesome. And we're out of firewood right now, so that's great. And then we've got this little stream running through, which is just so peaceful. And we have a really nice little chair that David's gonna try out. You look very cozy.
My drink's empty.
Uh-oh.
Can you refill
Do you
it?
need a margarita in there?
Please.
Okay.
2.
Good morning. I'm making some breakfast this morning, a nice little iced coffee, a bagel, and some fruit. It's kind of my go-to. Last night we had a campfire and stayed up until like 1:30 in the morning just enjoying the campfire and talking. So of course we did not wake up until like 9 a.m. Slept in a little bit today. Right now it is a really beautiful day. It's pretty overcast outside. It's supposed to rain for the next like 5 days. I got these strawberries yesterday and I'm realizing that they're not gonna fit in my container because look how huge this strawberry is. This is massive. I also bought blackberries, and this is like a pretty big size container, and they're also supposed to fit in this container. I'll show you. This is like already full. I still have all of these, and I'm gonna wash and try and fit these into the other side. But I might have to use this whole thing for strawberries and keep the blackberries in this. Anyways, some super exciting news today. The pre-sale for Billie Eilish concert went on sale a couple days ago, and my friend Juniper was able to secure me and them tickets to the LA show in December, and I am so excited. This is gonna be my 4th time seeing Billie live, and I cannot wait for this new album, and I think the show is going to be so good. And to get to see Billie in LA, what a treat. Wow, look at this strawberry. It's completely red on the inside. Just a very simple little breakfast, nothing fancy.
I want it to get ripping hot.
All right, that's it for this week's vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned next week for another vlog. We'll see you soon. Bye.
Bye.